So, from Amazon, I ordered a dupe for the Furls crochet hooks. And I ordered a 4mm crochet hook, and it's a Divit brand. They're resin crochet hooks here, and that's what I got. So, it is a 7mm hook. It not like they in the box it says 4mm, but this is not 4mm compared to the 4mm I have. This is not 4. So here both compared. So there is a mix up here. Instead of 7 inches being the whole hook, the length of the hook is 7 inches. Yeah, that's right. But that is not 4mm hook. And I do want a 4mm because I rarely, almost never use hooks so big. I even prepared yarn to try it, but that's not gonna work for that. All right, not bad, not bad here. It's kind of weird to hold it, but it's just because I don't crochet with such a thick yarn or hook. So, but it's nice, and there's a good hold on it, since I hold it my crochet hook as I hold the button a knife. So it's gonna stay good. It's long enough because some of the crochet hooks are a little bit short, and they just end up here, just there at the edge. So like this is a tiny bit short for me. It's just barely making it out there. Well, this one is poking out. So it is very pretty.